IIT target course for standard 11 and IIT JEE. Dear students, I have finished problems based on conic section like circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Now today I am going to write the formula used in conic section. I suggest you to learn this formula, make the problem more convenient after practicing types of problem based on conic section. Summary: remaining points related with conic section. Point 22, the equation of ellipse with center at origin, major axis of length 2a along y-axis, minor axis of length 2b along x-axis, and foci at 0 plus minus c is given by y square by a square plus x square by b square equal to 1. 23. The length of latus rectum of a standard ellipse equal to 2b square by a. 24. A hyperbola is the set of all points in a plane. The difference whose distances from two fixed points in a plane is a constant. 25. The two fixed points are called foci of the hyperbola. The midpoint of the line segment joining the foci is called the center of the hyperbola. The line segment through the foci of the hyperbola is called the transverse axis of the hyperbola. The line segment through the center and perpendicular to the transverse axis is called the conjugate axis. Perpendicular to conjugate axis of the hyperbola. The points at which the hyperbola intersects the transverse axis are called the vertices of the hyperbola. 26. The distance c of focus from center of a hyperbola is given by c equal to under root a square plus b square, where a is the length of transverse axis and b is the length of conjugate axis. 27. The eccentricity of a hyperbola is the ratio of the distance of center from one of the foci to the distance of center from one of the vertices of the hyperbola. It is denoted by E. 26. 28. The eccentricity of a hyperbola is always greater than 1. 29. Equation of hyperbola with center at origin, comma, transverse axis of length 2a along x-axis, conjugate axis of length 2b along y-axis, and foci at plus minus c0 is given by x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. 30. Equation of hyperbola with center at origin, transverse axis of hyperbola, transverse axis of length 2a along y-axis, conjugate axis of length 2b along x-axis, and foci at 0 plus minus c is given by x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. 31. The length of latus rectum of transverse hyperbola equal to 2b square by b.